Hello everybody! Today we are going to have a cooking class. Guilherme is teaching me how to cook a diet banana pancake that is very healthy. Let's go, Guilherme!
Let's go!
First, you take 2 bananas.
Now it's just one.
Then you smash the bananas. Just one first?
First just one.
Okay, first just one. One banana, one smashed banana.
One egg.
One egg. Okay. 5 soup spoons of oats.
No, just 4.
4? 4. Okay, just 4. It depends on the size of the banana.
The size of the banana, and if you put more than 4, for example, the pancake will be so hard.
Oh, okay. You mix the smashed banana with the oats, the 4 soup spoons of oats. And 1 egg together. Okay. And you put a little
Butter.
Butter. Just put the mix in the fridge.
Now you use the other banana.
Now you can use the other banana. And then you put the other banana in little piece on the pancake.
Yes.
Do I have to wait 4 or 5 minutes, 2 minutes?
It's fast. I don't know.
It's very fast, but you don't know exactly.
Yes.
It looks delicious. And the detail is that this pancake is for me.
Yes, for you.
And now you put some cinnamon powder.
Now
Guilherme,
It's
I'm
just
very
good.
anxious to prove, to taste this pancake recipe.
it's for other now. Now it's just wait.
I think it.
No, it's a little liquid.
Okay, and how do you know that it's red?
Then I do this and it's just one thing. Then it's moving.
Okay. The smell is wonderful.
I know.
It smells very nice, delicious.
Você errar na hora de virar, agora tá gravando.
can put a little butter, little quantity. Wow, Guilherme, the cook, he is wonderful. He's very nice at the kitchen.
It's genetic. No, it's just
For who doesn't know, Guilherme is Chef Gilmar's son. That's why he cooks so well. Because Gilmar is the best cook in Santa Catarina. Is it red?
no.
No?
It's just wait now.
I can't wait to taste this recipe. Guilherme, and what do you say if someone wants to drink something with this? What is good with this to drink?
It's
Coffee?
good. A coffee.
Coffee, milk. What time do you eat this pancake? In the morning,
In the morning.
at night,
in the morning and in the evening.
in the evening. Okay. Now we are in the evening.
It tastes good.
Finish it.
Finish it.
It's red. It's done.
Whoa!
Wow! So nice. Show to the people your recipe, banana pancakes recipe.
It's for
Wow,
you.
wonderful. Thank you, Guilherme. I'm gonna taste it now. Thank you. Very good, very good. Bye bye.